Hi, my name is Alex. I joined Kärcher in 2020 and I'm studying business informatics. One of my wow moments at Kärcher was that every student can do a practical semester abroad. I joined a Kärcher subsidiary in Greece where I had a chance to take part in some very exciting projects. Wow! Feeling at ease at work is a wow for me.
Hi, I am Liv and I'm training as industrial clerk here at Kärcher.
Wow!
I ended up at Kärcher through a sponsorship at my riding club. At the time I thought, that sounds good, I'll apply there.
Wow!
I think it's really cool that I get to check out lots of different departments at Kärcher. Wanna wow with us? Hey Liv!
Hi everyone, I'm Laura. I'm training as a mechatronics engineer. As a mechatronics engineer, my assignments are partly electrical and partly mechanical. I see what I have created with my own two hands at the end of the day, and this is a wow moment for me. The guaranteed job is also wow. Wanna wow with us?